So it's about 1979 or 80. I think it's early 1980. I was playing t-ball. Used to live in Parchment, Michigan, which is near Kalamazoo. And after a game, me and a couple teammates were like walking to the concession stand, and we saw a blue jay, a bird, on the ground. The old boy was dead. We were not happy. We thought, this is horrible. So what did 3 9-year-old boys do? Well, we dug a little grave for him right then and there. I mean, people are all around, and it's by a tree, and people were going to the concession stand. We still had our uniforms on, and we probably dug about maybe a foot, 12 inches or so down in the ground. And one of the other boys kind of put the bird in because I wasn't going to touch that thing. And so we packed, maybe it wasn't a foot, now that I'm thinking about it, maybe 6 inches, half a foot. As we started to pack the dirt on, or we did pack the dirt on, when you put your foot on top of the mound there to try to pat it down, we heard a